Good morning. Well, is it morning? Maybe afternoon. I don't know. Either way, good morning. Last night, after we lost all that sunlight, I managed to go ahead and get the rest of the lights buttoned up, the license plate buttoned up. The exhaust is buttoned back up. So, everything is done basically. So all we have to do today is get the spacers on, lube the spacers up with the anti-seize lubricant, torque them down, get the wheels on, clean it, and oh, I almost forgot. So I think I found out why these lumps are here. At least I hope this is why, because it should be an easy fix. But me and Justin and I forgot to check the fitment of the trunk. So the trunk last night when I was wrapping everything up didn't close all the way. There we go. So what's happening is I need to tug and pull this back and give this, that little bit of, well, I don't know what they call that, but basically I need to push this down, give this some pressure, and pull this back, and then re-screw them back into the car. So hopefully that is not a huge headache and doesn't take much time. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that now before I start putting wheels on or anything like that. Alright, I think I got it. This side's worrying me a little bit. It looked better while I was doing it, but it's pretty flush with the seam. So let's see what we got. There we go. That's a little tight right there. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. I can't complain about that. And then the other test pops right up. Alright, cool. That was simple. Can't complain, can't complain. It did not get rid of these two humps, unfortunately. I don't know what is up with that, but obviously I'm not a professional, so maybe I did something wrong. But they've always been there since I got this delivered, so I don't know. We shall see. Okay, now we're getting close to the moment of truth. It is time to get these spacers on and get these wheels on. Doc, are you excited? Are you excited as me? Are you as excited as me? Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I get to spend time with you now. I've been working on this car for 2 days. As I've mentioned before, these are 1.5 inches. From what I've seen with people with the exact same rims as me and wide fenders, 2-inch fenders, had a little bit of poke without the fenders. So I chose 1.5 inches to make sure that it fits nice. So I went to Advance and got this anti-seize lubricant because I've heard that this all this aluminum can get binded up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the surface. Put it on the surface over here. still gotta wait for the shocks to settle, but man, oh, it looks perfect. It looks perfect. Same as you, Doc. You're perfect too, but it looks perfect. Oh, all right. I need to clean up these tools and get it off the ramps. Oh man, look at that beauty. So much better. I don't know if it's just because of the sway bar or because of the new stance, but holy shit, is it way more responsive now. Oh man, it's gonna be hard to keep me out of this car. Visuals isn't that bad. I can still see pretty well out the back, so that's good. I might be able to go lower. I might. I'll have to give it a couple of days. I'll have to give it a couple of days to see if this squats anymore. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy about this. Just gotta figure this out. Don't know why that's there. Oh my God. Everybody, what do you think? I am so happy. It's not often that you have a vision and it just comes together right before your eyes. Like this, I've been waiting for stuff like this to happen. I've been waiting for this for quite a while, and not gonna lie, the fact that I was able to get me and my brother together and just knock this shit out in a couple of days, like I did not think that I was gonna be able to do it. And trust me, the satisfaction that you get for doing it yourself is so fucking worth it. I'm excited. I'm gonna go clean this thing. I appreciate it if you watched these videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think. Are you excited? Are you in love like I am in love with this car? And just, oh, so much satisfaction right now. So much. Anyway, I'm hungry. It's time to eat. I'm full on my car shit for the week. This almost kicked my ass. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good one.